Ask for a chair. You should ask for a chair.
So we got Burger King.
Yeah. Take a pronounce this.
Good. Burger King is so good. Bro, but like, they give you.
It feels so big,
They
but
give
it's
you.
so small.
They give you paper straws.
Yeah, so at Burger King, it's very good. I don't care.
It feels so small, but they're big.
What do you guys say?
Eat one.
Yeah.
Eat it.
Oh, Edward, you dip your fries in the milkshake?
Yeah, do you dip your fries in the milkshake? Who the hell does that? Do you? Yes or no? What the hell?
Hey, don't swear.
I know.
It's not good to swear.
Sit there.
Get an extra chair, like right there. It's right there.
I don't know that person. Just ask him.
Ask him. Don't be socially awkward.
You can use that one.
Like Benny. Oh my god.
Next to him. No, sit next to him.
Bro, this is my
No,
It's
not
very
me,
crowded here.
I don't want to sit.
Oh my god.
What's the name? There's no place for my food right there.
Finish it over there.
The cool stuff. Bonus royalty food. Let me eat this food. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording now. Alright, so
There's
what's
nothing.
Bro, where did the reasons go?
Over there.
Oh yeah, he's right there. He gets a wall. He actually looks like a normal person in here.
He really does.
Yeah, like he can't even sit. Want a drink? Here, let's advertise them, bro. Advertising, bro.
They're getting free advertising.
For real, bro.
Oh, we advertise.
Sponsor me, bro. Oh yeah, like, look at this guy eating fries with. He's.
You said you dip your fries in.
Okay, time for our famous catchphrase.
Came.
He came, bro.
Bro. Hey, what do you mean, let's see?
It's all white.
He came. What? He actually does. What? Wait, how do you have shit here?
That's what I said. Hey, get on the plane.
What?
Oh yeah. It happened. This day it happened.
Not gonna be arrested, but.
It's hung.
What?
It's hung. Look. Look, it's hung. They're all hung.
Oh, damn.
Look, they're all hung.
Alright, now Elio.
Literally you.
Alright, Elio, what you want to do to pull in the views is that you overreact to the food. For real.
This chicken fry is so crispy.
Are you the most crispiest chicken fries in the world? Now eat it.
Let's find out.
Now eat it. I said eat it.
Eat the white one.
The most crispiest. I know.
They're not crispy at all.
There's no gag reflex.
Wait, yo, what?
Why would I gag?
It's average, don't worry.
Finally, it's getting wet.
Wasn't the child supposed to be in the office? Is it actually nice?
It's getting softer.
I only got 2 more chicken fries.
I have 3 more.
Just the line shorter and then get some more fries.
Hey, we have enough time. What time is it? It's probably like 11:45. Oh, we have 5 minutes left.
Oops, my bad.
Oh, I want to visit other stuff. Oh. Hey, let's check out the Benny.
We have 5 minutes left? Oh.
Yeah, we have 5 minutes left. We gotta
We're about to go. What? Oh, is it actually present here?
Jonathan got trolled.
That was trash.
Oh, the trash right here.
Just put the trash in one bag.
Yeah. Let me try one.
You didn't eat your fries?
Oh, look at you eating fucking fries with
Do it. Eat it. Eat a fry.
Fine, I'll just eat the fry with the milk. No!
Ah, damn. Alright, let's go. Put it all in one bag.
There's nothing wrong with it.
There's a lot of things wrong with it. Alright, turn it off. No more. No more vlogs.